Wow, such a pretty flying bird. Do you know how to make this cute birdie? Let's learn. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get the direct updates. We will take A4 size pastel sheet. We will fold the sheet to get the square form and cut the sheet as shown. Let's sing a song for the birdie. Birdie, birdie on the tree, come and sing a song for me. Sing it loud, sing it long, sing for me a pretty song. We will take one of the cutout triangle and fold it in half. This portion will act as wings of the bird. Now we will take the leftover sheet and mark 2 cm as shown and cut it in 3 parts. 2 strips of 2 cm and 1 leftover sheet, which we will use as the bottom of the bird. We will fold the leftover sheet from the center. The half-folded triangle part, which will act as wings, will be placed between the folded strips as shown. Place it in center by approximation. Mark the point with pencil at the rear end. We will make small cuts up to the marked point on the sheet. This will be bird's tail feather. We will give it a little roll to look like curly feathers. We will curl each cutout in alternate directions. चिड़िया रानी बड़ी सयानी चुगती दाना पीती पानी ची ची करके दाना खाती फुर फुर करके वो उड़ जाती चिड़िया रानी बड़ी सयानी नित्य सवेरे हमें जगाती पेड़ की डाल पे इनका बसेरा सांझ होते ये सो जाती. Now we will paste the triangle cutout in folded strip. Now let's cut out bird's wing feathers. We will make small cuts as shown. Make sure you don't make the cuts too large, as it will not give a neat look in finished bird. With the help of pencil or by hands, we will curl the feathers. Do the same on both the sides of the wings. As you can see how pretty the wings are looking. Take the other cutout triangle sheet and fold it in half. We will carve out the bird's eyes from this sheet. Mark the circle with the help of any small circular object or draw it by hands. We will cut out the same. Paste the eyes on the bird's head side. The last thing we require is to make its beak. Take a small size paper, fold it in half and cut out triangle shape which will resemble like beak. Paste it on both the sides. Now we will draw the eyes of the bird. To make it fly, let's help it out by pasting the flaps. Take the two strips of 2 cm width and paste it at the top rear end. Our beautiful birds are ready to fly high.